I had the nicest little old Spanish lady in my office this morning, and she came in for a ladybird deed. If you don't know what a ladybird deed is, check out my several videos on that. Apparently, it's pretty popular on this platform. We have probably about 250 or 300,000 views on my various ladybird deed content. But back to the story. She came in today wanting a ladybird deed, knocked that out for her while she was in the office, so she didn't have to come back. And we started talking while we were drafting her ladybird deed about advanced directives, power of attorney, healthcare surrogate, living will. This lady was, in her early 90s, and her son was and daughter-in-law were with her. And as soon as I mentioned power of attorney, the son and daughter-in-law were like, "Oh no, mom won't sign that," because she is concerned that if she signs a power of attorney, she's giving up all authority and she'll never be able to make decisions for herself again. And I said, no, that's not the way that works. I refer to advanced directives as a second set of keys to the house, if you can follow that analogy. You get to keep your own keys, and those keys mean you get to make your own decisions for the rest of your life as long as you are capable. However, if you lose your keys, i.e. your mental capacity or your mind, then you have someone who you've already designated and you already trust to have the second set of keys to the house. They can start making your decisions for you. So once I explained it that way, she calmed right down and she said, "Yeah, I like that idea. I trust my son and I want him to be here if I can't make my own decisions, but as long as I'm alive and I'm capable of making my decisions, I don't want to give that up." And I said, "Certainly, ma'am, you're not giving it up. You're being smart, because if you don't put this in place and you do lose capacity, your son's going to have to come back to me or someone like me for a guardianship, and it's going to cost $10,000 to $15,000 often to set up, and you need to be represented by an attorney for the rest of your life." We can avoid all of that 99.9% of the time with a good power of attorney, healthcare surrogate, and living will in place. So you don't need to give up your keys to get protection. Get a second set of keys made for someone who you trust. And that is the person who we will name as the agent for your power of attorney. And by the way, while we're making keys, don't just make one set, make a backup to that set so that you have a backup to your power of attorney. In case they get hit by the beer truck, you still have somebody there to help you. Hope this helps. Have a great day.